Example 14 of chapter 8 is the population of a city was 20,000 in the year 1997. It increased at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the population at the end of the year 2000. We are given with the population of a town or a city in 1997, which is equals to 20,000, and we shall let it 20,000 equals to P, rate of increment that is 5% per annum, and we have to find the population at the end of year 2000, that is the time interval, that is we are given with the population in the year 1997. So we will start counting the population in the beginning of year 1998. So there are the time period or number of years, that is n equals to 3 years, 1998, 1999, and the year 2000. So see the solution of this example. We are given with the population P equals to 20,000 in the year 1997. Rate of increment is 5% per annum, and time period we shall take from year 1998 to year 2000, which shall be equals to 3 years. Okay. Now applying the formula A equals to P multiply 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. Putting all these values, we shall get R is 5 and number of year is 3 years. Solving it, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. We shall have 20,000 multiply 1 plus 1 by 20. Solving the bracket by taking the LCM, we shall get 21 upon 20 raised to power 3. Multiplying it 3 times, cancelling the zeros, 1 2 3, cutting with 1 2 3 zeros, and reading the table, 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are, we shall left with 5 multiply 21 multiply 21 multiply 21 divide with 2. When we multiply this, what should we get? When we multiply these factors, we shall get 46,305 divide with 2, and when we divide this 46,305 with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. Again putting the decimal in the quotient also and taking the 0 downward, 2 fives are 10. Okay, see this. Now after division we have got 23,152.5. Since we have to find the population, so we have to take the round figure. The digit after decimal is 5. I have told you, if the digit after decimal is 5 or greater than 5, so we shall add 1 in this. We shall add the ones place, and after adding 1 at the ones place, we shall get 23,153 population approximately at the end of year 2000. See. Okay. Now see the next example. The next example is a TV was bought at the price of rupees 21,000. And after 1 year the value of the TV was depreciated. It means the value of TV has been decreased. Depreciated means it has been reduced or decreased by 5%. Find the value of the TV after 1 year. So see the solution of this example. See, we have given with principal rupees 21,000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum, and the value of the price which have been decreased, and we have to find after 1 year, time period of 1 year. Applying the formula, for the depreciation, what should we do? We shall apply minus in this formula because the price has been reduced. Putting the values, cancelling it, solving this bracket by taking the LCM. We have got 21,000 multiplied with 19 by 20, cancelling the 0, reading the table of 2 and do the cutting. We shall get 2 ones 2, 0 and 2 fives 10. You may divide yourself. This is easy division, so please you may divide yourself for your practice. And after 1 year, what is the value of TV? When we multiply 1050 with 19, we shall get the value of TV after 1 year is rupees 19,950. Okay, keep the thing in mind. When the price will depreciate, you will apply minus in this formula, and for the increased or the increment, you will apply plus in the formula. Okay, that is all about the examples of chapter 8. Practice these examples in your rough notebook, and for any problem you may call me. Thank you. Have a nice day.